I've taken 1 cup of atta, 1 cup of maida, salt to taste, few tablespoons of sugar to make your paratha little red, baking powder 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of semolina, that is rava, 2 tablespoons of oil. We can make whole wheat paratha as well, but I have taken maida and wheat as well. This is up to your wish. You can take as you want. Now we are going to make our paratha dough. We are adding atta, now maida, 2 tablespoons of semolina, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and few tablespoons of oil. Now we are going to mix all our ingredients, and by adding water little by little. Please do not add water at one shot because our dough making will be very difficult and our paratha will not be soft. Please take your time and add little water and mix the ingredients together. Now we can see our paratha dough, how it has come out. See, it has come out very nicely, and we can add little bit oil also if we want, and we can beat it like this so that it will become more softer. And I am adding the excess oil, I mean the balance one. Now I closed it, and after 30 minutes we can just start preparing our paratha. Now I am preparing the filling for the paratha. For that we need melted butter. I have taken salted butter melted. So now I am going to add the grated garlic to it. I have taken 7 to 8 garlic cloves. This is coriander leaves chopped, oregano 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Chili flakes you can add according to your taste. If you want more spice, you can add more. Now I'm gonna add the ingredients one by one to the melted butter. I have taken salted butter, so I am not adding the salt. So if you are taking unsalted, you can add the salt. I am adding all the ingredients. The butter is little bit hot, so that all the ingredients will mix up well, and the flavor you can get it from there. And I am adding the coriander leaves. Now our garlic filling is ready for the paratha. This is the filling we are going to put it inside our paratha. Now after 30 minutes, if we see our dough, it is ready. Now I am going to roll it and going to make small paratha balls. We can roll our paratha like this, and we can make a thin paratha. We can make as thin as possible so that it will be good to get layers in our paratha. Now I am filling up with our garlic filling. I am applying it on top of the paratha. Now I am going to roll this up like this. This is the usual method how we roll our paratha. The same way we are going to roll our paratha. So secure the end at the bottom. This is one method, and this one is another method. You can roll it like this and secure the end at the bottom of the dough. So we can roll our paratha now. See, you can see how the paratha has come out. Now we can fry it in the tawa. So add oil little bit on top, on the sides as well, so that all the sides will get cooked properly. So you can see the color of the paratha getting changed. We can see the red or brown spots coming up. So now our paratha is ready. I am making another paratha. So now our parathas are ready. I am applying the same garlic filling on top of the paratha, cooked paratha as well, so that the flavor will be very good. You can see how soft our paratha has come out, and the flavor is so nice. The garlic smell and the chilies gives a wonderful aroma. You can also try it at your home. You can have it along with mayonnaise or curd. It will be a wonderful recipe. Please try at your home and let me know. Please subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you. Happy cooking.